Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I've been shopping on Aliexpress and I'd like to show you what I got. I'm going to open this one first because it came first. And this is Easter. She was my first Blythe doll. And I had a hard time deciding which one I was going to get because I was only going to get one Blythe, which is quite a joke because I did a little count this morning, and when I got to 10, 5 times, and then there was still, I stopped counting. I don't count my dolls, but there's over 1,000 dolls here. I'm sure of it in this house, and they are like everywhere. And yeah, I might have bought more, but I'm only buying dolls now, so I say, for a reason. And one of those reasons can be they just make me happy. But I have stopped. my cameraman is laughing. I'm not buying every doll in every series because it's on the shelf and I have the money. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm buying dolls because I'm using them for a collab or a challenge or something like that. All right, let's see what we got here. Yes, as you can guess, this is Blythe stuff because that is the hole I have gone down. Over a year ago, well, for a couple years, I kept saying, no, I'm not going to get a Blythe doll. I'm just not. And then I kept watching people open them on YouTube, and I thought, they are kind of cute. And then I saw some on, it was 2 channels that pushed me, God love them, Ruby Red's World of Dolls and J Dolls UK. And I can't remember if it was Ruby or Jay's channel that I actually shut the video off, went and ordered a doll, came back, finished watching their Blythe doll. It took forever for Easter to get here, and when it's your first and you're excited, it takes even longer. I do pick the trash up when I'm done. I do that so that it's quick. I bought I didn't know there was 2 of them, very cool. I bought these, you know what? I reuse these bags, but they frustrate me so much that one I'm not going to. I bought these because I thought they would be very cute for a small Blythe doll to make a carousel horse out of if the Blythe doll were a clown. And I'm working on a miniature Blythe doll to become a clown. So those are pretty cool. And I got 2, and boy, that makes me happy. Who didn't like 2 when you think you're only going to get 1? So anyway, I ordered 1 Blythe, and soon after I ordered another, and then I kind of ordered, well, y'all have seen my Blythe dolls. I love these little shoes. I'm going to see, can I, these, I can never find the opening on these bags. There we go, because I do save them and put the shoes back in them when I put them in my tub. Now these are adorkable. Again, how cute are those for little fancy clowns? Blythe dolls. I have a couple of ideas. I'm gonna put those on top of that bag. Let's open this one. Look at me, I can even tear packages now. Oh, how cool is this? Wow, there's a lot here. I am having trouble finding lace, well, you can't anymore. Laces, you can find red or pink or white or black in gathered lace. I wanted the red and the pink in the flat lace for some other projects, and I also did not have this color. Blue, can't find it anymore. Not in gathered, not in the stores. You just can't find it anymore, so that was a big deal. Okay, let's open this one. This is the one I have waited over a year for. As I was saying about my first Blythe, when I went and started looking, it was overwhelming. They're all so beautiful. And you know that hair, oh my God, that hair. I did want the matte face. I didn't care for the shiny face. Now I appreciate it because it's a nod to the 1972 Blythes. But there was another one, same skin tone, different hair that I wanted, that I was deciding between. And I did not buy her, and I have not seen her since. They had her for a short time after. I should have bought her. Darren told me to buy her. He is so good to me. I mean, if I wanted every doll on the shelf in Walmart, it might take 2 or 3 trips, but he would move heaven and earth for me to have them. And thus we have all the dolls in the house because I'm spoiled. And then his 3D machine is always going, making me something, or for Happy Meals. Okay, so they had this doll with this hair, this green hair, with the same matted face. Haven't seen her again. But not too long ago, they came out with this girl, who is the same doll with the shiny face. This was my second choice when I first bought Blythe dolls. Her hair is not the color I thought it would be. I thought it would be more like Ireland's, which is a little bit more green. I like it. That means I have 3 dolls with this greenish teal. I don't know, it's more of a sea green. One is more blue, one is more green, and then this one, I like it. It's a little greasy, might need to do a spa, I don't care. I am deciding, and I probably will, do a Mr. Super Clear on her to make her matted. But I decided I better get her while I see her. I had put it off and put it off and put it off, and I learned from my first doll. So that's why Easter is here, to tell you the story of, you know, why I needed that doll. And then this one, this was a hard choice. I may have bought some dolls when they were on sale. When I say dolls, it's kind of a long S. And then, I'm so spoiled, I was deciding between some other middies, and I went to bed that night and I said, oh, I didn't order those dolls on sale. Darren's like, well, I'll get up with you. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, no, it's all right. And then ever since, it's like, oh, I didn't get that doll. Because I was deciding between 3. Anyway, this is one that I had bought, and she has a purpose and a name. And her name is going to be, I'm trying to be very careful because of her hair. Her name is going to be Poinsettia. She is Lily Munster's niece. She comes with extra hands and a little dress that I don't really care for, but I'll use as a pattern, or have used in the past as a pattern. And you'll see in a moment why I say, this is nice. I don't know that I've gotten the middies before with a faceplate. That's very nice. But look at her hair. I love her. I just love that. She will be Lily Munster's niece, Poinsettia, which is actually a poisonous plant, if you do not know. I already have a stand for her. I'll show you in a minute. I want to show you how small these dolls are. If you don't know about doll scaling, it's based on a 6-foot man. And for instance, these dolls are 12 inches, so they are 1/6 scale. These are, how tall are they? I think they're 10. They are 7 inches. So they are, no, they're about 8. Okay, they're 8, yeah, top of the head. They are 1/8 scale. And then the minis are 6 inch and they are 1/12. So anyway, I wanted to show you how tiny these bodies are. The bodies themselves, without the head, are less than 4.5 inches. Let me pull that up a little bit. 5 inches-ish. But I wanted to compare to show you how tiny that is. That is a USA penny, And I bet you can see it from the back. You can see it on both sides. Let me move my hand so you can see. That's how tiny these bodies are. Here's a quarter. I better, no. Her hips are, can you see it on either side? Here it is at the waist. Slide it down, and that is about how wide that doll's body is. They're just itty bitty. They don't look that small, but they are. They're not easy to sew for. These dolls do not change eye colors. They do not shut their eyes, but their eyes have a little knob in the back. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's like Creepy Doll. They can move them forward or either side. I love that. They're very, extremely articulated, including and not limited to the feet, and the hips turn. She's a little stiff. The hips turn, the shoulders turn, or I'm sorry, the elbows at the upper arm. The wrists turn. Like I said, they come with 3 sets of hands. Their waist turns, and of course their heads. They also have, their heads are more upright than the full-size Blythe. I attempted to make her, and I will take another shot, this little dress. And I took a Barbie dress, and I actually glued this one. I'm loving that glue for small pieces. But I wanted something black and Halloween. I need to take the front of the pattern in more at the top. So I will be tweaking that a little more. But look what we made her, Darren made her. Black on Wednesday. How cute is that, Stan? So I'm real tickled about that. And then, but wait, there's more. Let me set this by her. Oh wow, that is a bent up box. Oh my, that's a little scary. I am just getting into face-ups on Blythe dolls. My husband says I do all right. I'm not convinced they are face-ups, but they are face changes. So I bought chalk and I bought some other things. Oh, he's a lot larger than I thought he was going to be. This is a cute elephant keychain. So I thought he was going to be, you know, this big for my mini Blythe clown, but I don't know if he's even Blythe size, but cute. All right, oh boy, this box is really, woo, I don't like it. Oh boy, let's see. There's supposed to be 2 here and there's only 1. Only 1 and 2 were marked off my order. So that is a problem, and I'm glad we have it on video. There is a staple, as if they stapled this to another one, but it's not here, and I'm having trouble with the seller on Aliexpress because there was nothing in the package. But look at her, that's new, a little red dress. How cute is my little Wednesday doll? Oh. The minis, talk about tiny. Let me show you their bodies as compared to a penny. They are, I'm really having fun. You can see the penny on, let me set it here so you can see. I'm really having fun sewing for these dolls. Just getting started making packages. You can see her shoulders. The penny is wider than her shoulders. They are just adorable. They bend with a wire at the knee. Their arms do not. Their arms just go up and down. They don't go out to the side. The little heads turn. Eyes are sleepy eyes. Although we're going to have a treat for you later this week. But that is my little Wednesday doll, and I want to make her a Wednesday Addams outfit. And I better get in touch with that seller because only 1. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.